What's up guys, welcome to another video. So today I'm going to show you how I promote products and make commissions with affiliate marketing. Now let me show you. So the first thing that I do is that I create content on my YouTube channel so YouTube can share my YouTube videos with more people. And if you go to the links of the description of this video, you are going to see some links. And for example, the first link is like for everybody who wants to download a free training on how to do affiliate marketing the right way. And so when people access that link, it's going to open a page, a website, and that is my opt-in page of my sales funnel. And that is how I collect the information, the name, the email, and their phone number if they want to write it. With that information, guys, then I send emails to those people, and inside of the emails I write valuable information, and also I promote affiliate products through email marketing. So that being said, it's important to have for example, if you can create your own YouTube channel, so you can create your own content and put your links in the description of your YouTube video so you can start creating your own contacts, your own emails. So that being said, guys, this is my Get Response account, and this is where I store all my contacts, and this is my ClickFunnels account, and I use ClickFunnels to build cool landing pages and opt-in pages. So let me show you. I'm going to click here where it says email this training because I'm going to promote Get Response, and I created a cool landing page to promote that software. Now, if I go to Get Response, you're going to see that I have already one person in this paid account section, and I have eight people on the free account. So these are people who clicked my affiliate link of Get Response, the recurring payment. For example, 8 people are using it right now to see if they like it, and one person decided to buy it from my affiliate link. One cool thing about promoting software, guys, is that we can make commissions every single month until the person, like for example, cancel their account. But for example, I have been using Get Response like for years, promoting products, guys. Okay, let me show you. So I'm going to go to ClickFunnels because I want to show you how I'm going to promote Get Response. So check this out. Here I have all these pages, day number 1, day number 2. So these are pages for my free affiliate marketing training. For example, I send this training to my email list when someone opting in their information in one of my sales funnel. And if I scroll down, I have here a cool page to promote Get Response. So I'm going to click here, and then let me show you. I'm going to open this page so you can see how I promote this software. So this is very cool. Check this out. This is how I just Get Response. So I have a good title, a good headline. This is how I use Get Response for affiliate marketing and make commissions. And I created a Get Response review on my YouTube channel. And if I scroll down, I have here, for example, $25 in pending earnings, 196 clicks. So these are my results by promoting Get Response. And if people want to get access to Get Response, they only need to click here on this button where it says I want a 30-day free trial. So let's click it. If I click this goes to my affiliate link. So check this out. This is my affiliate link. So this is like my affiliate ID. And if people go here and create a free account, I'm going to refer another person to Get Response. Now let's go back, because this is the page that I'm going to promote. So let me show you. So this is the page. So this one is the link that I'm going to send to my email list. So I'm going to go to get response, click on tools, and then on email marketing. One cool thing about get response, guys, is that you can send emails to people. So for example, you can send like an email blast to all your list, or you can send like a more targeted email. So that meaning send an email to the people who already open a message. For example, check this out. Here I have all these value email, and I can choose the first one. So this one has 857 people. I have a 14 opt-in rate. So that means that 14% open the email that I sent to them. And I can click here, and for example, go here, and so let's click on this one. So value letter, and you're going to see that here we have all this information, delivery rate. So on this email I didn't put any affiliate links, so that is why the click rate is 0%. I have one person unsubscribe from this email, the bounce rate and the open rate. So we are talking here about 121 people that open my email. And what I can do is that I can click on this where it says opens and clicks, and then click here open, and click here where it says just create a message. And that is how I can send an email to those people. So check this out. This is going to be get response promo, and I'm going to name it. This is how I use this tool. Then I'm going to click on design message, and then blank templates. I usually choose blank templates. And this is the page that I'm going to use to. So this is the page that I'm going to send to these persons, to these people. So I'm going to remove the logo, click on layout, drag and drop the text. Let me here. Hey, I always write like to put here the first name. So we're going to write something easy. Places are here. So I'm going to write like a little story. So when I start affiliate marketing, I did it the wrong way because I didn't create any leads. That's why I realized that in order to build this affiliate marketing theme for the long term, it's important to capture your own context. Contacts. I have been using this tool for years, and I created a video review so you can see it. Okay, cool. Now I'm going to put here like watch the review. God bless Caesar, and then I'm going to go to click funnels, copy this link, and I'm going to paste it here. have here some grammatical errors. So when I started affiliate marketing, I did it incorrectly when I started affiliate marketing because I didn't collect the leads. That's why I realized that to build this affiliate marketing thing for the long term, it's important to capture your contacts. I have been using this tool for years and create a video review so you can see it. Okay, so let me. I'm just going to put here first name. Hey, first name. Okay, done. Then I'm going to click on next. And I usually like to choose perfect timing because this is like when people are like watching their phones, the response is going to send, or more specifically when people are like seeing their email, people are going to send that email so people can see it right away. We look at when each recipient opened your messages in the past and delivered your email when they are most likely to open it. So I like to always put this perfect timing because this increases my I have seen that when I put perfect timing, this increases my open rate. So that's it, and then I'm going to click on send message. Okay, cool guys. So basically that is the strategy, guys, and as you can see, to use this strategy, first you need to collect your own contacts, and the way that I collect my own contacts is I have my own sales funnel, so I use ClickFunnels. I have another software as well, Funnel Freedom Data Joe. I use that software as well to build funnels, but I have been using ClickFunnels for years and I like it very much. So I'm going to click here on funnel so you can see. So basically a sales funnel, guys, is like a website that you can utilize to capture the name and the email address of a prospect. So check this out. Let me click on this one, 7 steps to becoming a super affiliate ebook. So as you can see, this funnel has 3 steps. The opt-in page, this is to capture the information. The check your email for book page, the second step, and the bridge page. So basically people go through these pages, so they put their information, and when you capture that information, you need to start sending emails to them. So first of all, to give valuable information, and then you can do this like email blast and like send emails to those people who are active on your email list, so you can promote your products. That is why it's important to promote valuable products that are going to help people, guys. I promote products that I use. For example, I promote ClickFunnels, I promote GetResponse, I promote high ticket products as well. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell. Talk to you soon and God bless.